Barack Obama's 2008 campaign used AI to analyze voters' data and craft personalized messaging that connected with diverse groups. By using AI tools like Crystal, you can understand your audience's personality, traits, and build a political persona that resonates just as effectively. Now, how can you use this strategy if you want to establish your personal brand in your industry? Using AI to analyze your social media followers, their behaviors, and tailor your messaging to their interests, making your personal brand more impactful. Follow for more such AI tools or more such AI stories from popular brands that you can apply today.
Remember 2008? It was a year that would go down in history. The air was electric with anticipation, and the world watched as a new chapter in American politics began to unfold. It was a year of change. Hope filled the air. People from all walks of life came together, united by a common belief in a brighter future. The energy was palpable, and the excitement was contagious. Barack Obama's presidential campaign wasn't just about politics, it was about a movement that transcended traditional political boundaries and spoke to the hearts of millions. It was about connecting with people. Obama had a unique ability to make each person feel seen and heard. His message resonated deeply, and his charisma was undeniable. Obama's team harnessed the power of technology. They understood that the world was changing, and they were ready to change with it. They embraced the digital age and used it to their advantage. They used something new: artificial intelligence, or AI. This cutting-edge technology allowed them to gather and analyze data in ways that had never been done before. AI helped them understand voters like never before. This was revolutionary. They could see patterns and trends that were invisible to the naked eye, giving them a strategic edge. It changed how we see campaigns. No longer were campaigns just about speeches and rallies. They were about data-driven strategies and informed decision-making. Obama's campaign wasn't just about speeches. It was about data. They collected information. They analyzed it. They used it to craft messages that would resonate with specific groups of voters. This helped them understand what mattered to voters. They could tailor their approach to address the concerns and aspirations of different communities. It was about connecting on a personal level. AI made that possible. They could reach out to individuals with messages that felt personal and relevant. This wasn't just about winning an election. It was about changing the game. It was about setting a new standard for how campaigns could be run. It was about changing the game. They showed that with the right tools and the right approach, anything was possible. Obama's campaign showed the world something important. It demonstrated the power of technology and data in modern politics. AI could reshape the way we connect. It could make campaigns more efficient, more targeted, and more effective. It was a powerful lesson, one that would influence political campaigns for years to come, one that we still feel today. The legacy of Obama's 2008 campaign lives on, reminding us of the potential for innovation and the power of hope. Politics is about persuasion. To persuade, you need to understand. Obama's team knew this. They turned to data analytics. It's like looking into a crystal ball. Data analytics reveals patterns, it uncovers hidden insights, it helps us understand human behavior. Imagine knowing what people care about. Imagine knowing their hopes and dreams. That's what data analytics gave Obama's team. They used this information. They crafted targeted messages. They reached voters on a personal level. This wasn't about manipulation, it was about connection. People felt heard, they felt understood. This is the power of data analytics. It builds bridges, it fosters understanding. Not all voters are the same. Different people care about different things. Obama's team understood this. They used a technique called micro-targeting. This allowed them to tailor their message. They reached the right voter at the right time with the right message. Imagine receiving a message. It resonates with your concerns. It speaks directly to you. That's micro-targeting. It's about personalized communication. It's about cutting through the noise. This approach was incredibly effective. It helped Obama's campaign connect. They reached voters who might have otherwise been overlooked. This is the power of precision. It's about maximizing impact. It's about making every interaction count. AI's role in communication has grown exponentially over the past few years. We see it integrated into various aspects of our daily lives. Take Crystal, for example. It's an AI tool designed to enhance your communication skills. Crystal helps you communicate more effectively by providing insights and suggestions tailored to your needs. Imagine you're writing an important email to a potential client or a colleague. Crystal analyzes the recipient's online presence, including their social media profiles and professional networks. Based on this analysis, it suggests the best way to communicate with them, offering tips on tone, style, and content. This is AI in action, seamlessly integrating into your workflow to make you more effective. It's about understanding your audience on a deeper level. It's about crafting messages that truly resonate with them. Just like Obama's campaign, which used data-driven insights to connect with voters. Crystal helps you connect in a similar way. It helps you build meaningful relationships by understanding the nuances of effective communication. This is the power of AI today, making advanced tools accessible to everyone. It's not just for big campaigns or large corporations. It's for small business owners, freelancers, and even students. It's about making you a better communicator in every aspect of your life. Ultimately, it's about helping you achieve your goals, whether they're personal or professional. Section 5. Social Media Mastery, AI-Powered Engagement. Social media is everything. It's how we connect. It's how we share. AI is transforming social media. It helps us understand our audience. It helps us engage with them. Imagine knowing what your audience wants. Imagine tailoring your content for them. AI makes that possible. It analyzes data. It identifies trends. It helps you create content that resonates. This is about more than likes and shares. It's about building a community. It's about fostering meaningful connections. AI is the key. It unlocks the true potential of social media. Section 6. One voice, many platforms. The importance of consistent messaging. In the digital age, consistency is key. Your brand needs a clear voice, a consistent message. This builds trust. It fosters recognition. AI can help. Imagine a symphony. Each instrument plays its part, but together they create harmony. That's what consistent messaging does for your brand. AI tools can help you achieve this. They ensure your message remains the same across all platforms. This is crucial for building a strong brand. AI helps you stay on track. It keeps your messaging consistent. This builds trust with your audience. It strengthens your brand identity. Section 7. The Art of Storytelling, How AI Crafts Compelling Narratives. Stories have power. They move us. They inspire us. They connect us. AI is changing how we tell stories. It helps us craft narratives that resonate. Imagine knowing what resonates with your audience. Imagine tailoring your stories to evoke specific emotions. AI can make that happen. It analyzes data. It identifies patterns. It helps you understand what makes a story compelling. This isn't about replacing human creativity. It's about enhancing it. AI is a tool. It helps us tell better stories. Stories that captivate. Stories that inspire. Section 8. Data-driven decisions. Refining your brand with AI insights. Data is everywhere. It's valuable, especially for your brand. AI helps us unlock that value. It helps us make sense of data. It turns it into actionable insights. Imagine knowing what's working and what's not. Imagine making informed decisions about your brand. AI makes that possible. It tracks your performance. It identifies areas for improvement. It helps you refine your strategy. This is about making data work for you. It's about optimizing your brand for success. AI is the key. It unlocks the power of data-driven decision-making. Section 9. The future of personal branding, embracing the AI advantage. The world is changing. Technology is evolving. AI is the future, especially for personal branding. Those who embrace it will thrive. Imagine a world where AI is your partner. It helps you connect with your audience. It helps you build a powerful brand. This is the future we're moving towards. A future where AI empowers individuals. This is an exciting time. AI is opening doors. It's creating opportunities. It's time to embrace the AI advantage. It's time to unlock your full potential. Section 10. Unleash your potential, AI as your personal branding partner. In today's digital age, personal branding is more important than ever. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or a professional looking to make a mark, AI can be your secret weapon. Don't be afraid of AI. It's natural to feel apprehensive about new technology. But remember, AI is designed to assist you, not replace you. Embrace it. It's a tool, a powerful tool that can transform the way you manage your personal brand. From automating mundane tasks to providing insightful analytics, AI can do it all. Use it to build your brand. AI can help you create content that resonates with your audience, ensuring that your message is always on point. Use it to connect with the world. With AI, you can engage with your followers more effectively, reaching a global audience with ease. Imagine AI as your partner. It's there to help you navigate the complexities of personal branding, offering suggestions and insights that you might not have considered. It's there to help you. Whether you're brainstorming new ideas or refining your strategy, AI is your reliable assistant. It can analyze your audience. It can suggest content. By understanding your audience's preferences and behaviors, AI can help you tailor your content to meet their needs. It can even automate tasks. This frees you up. Imagine having more time to focus on what truly matters, while AI handles the repetitive tasks. You can focus on what matters. Whether it's creating new content, engaging with your audience, or simply taking a break, AI gives you the freedom to do so. You can focus on your message. With AI taking care of the logistics, you can concentrate on delivering your message with clarity and passion. You can focus on your passion. Let AI handle the rest, so you can dedicate your energy to what you love doing the most. AI takes care of the rest. From scheduling posts to analyzing performance, AI ensures that everything runs smoothly. This is the power of AI. It empowers you. By leveraging AI, you can achieve more than you ever thought possible. It helps you achieve your goals. Whether it's growing your audience, increasing engagement, or building a strong personal brand, AI is your ally. Don't just take my word for it. Try it yourself. Explore the various AI tools available and see how they can transform your personal branding efforts. You'll be amazed by what you can achieve. With AI by your side, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the future of personal branding with AI.